8,000. First, see the amount of Hey guys, welcome back to
Lives with the Sequeras.
a very good morning. So we're gonna have breakfast, and yesterday we had gone to the Anna Kinara. We loved it so much that we're going again today. So today we're gonna try something different. What are you planning to have today? Idli or medu vada or something?
That's dosa with mama.
Oh, you want pori dosa? Okay, you have pori dosa. I'll try something different. So let's see. So Bagu, Acha Divas.
Asa satu.
It's hot. Hriday wants to try that flipping part, but he won't be able to do it, I guess. You think you'll be able to do it? But it's hot. You need to wait. Very good. Finally, it happened. Nice. But next time you lift it a bit higher. Now you drink from that, baby. Hold, so then hold the other glass. Hold the other glass. Hold the other. Haan. Very good. If it's not happening, keep it down. Haan. Very good. Very good. Very good. Haan, drink. It's cooled up already, Ray. That's the reason why you do that, to cool it.
So now we are going to school to collect Hriday's books. And good morning everyone. I
baby
did
was
not
not there.
come in the vlog up till now. I was talking to my parents on the phone, so I was a bit occupied. Just a second, there's some noise over here. या एवढ्या उन्हामध्ये आम्ही स्कूटीवरनं जातोय बिकॉज इट्स क्लोज बाय वी डिडंट फील लाईक गोईंग गेटिंग द कार आउट अँड ऑल राईट बेबी
Yeah, inside the colony only, no?
या इट्स हिअर ओनली इनसाइड आवर कॉलेज
Just reached the school. This is the same place where I even play cricket for the ones who watch our vlogs. Now we'll go quickly get the books and come out.
We took the books
They're
and
quite heavy to hold. But
heavy
brand
to
new
hold
books.
also and heavy.
Smell of the books, amazing.
Heavy to hold also and heavy for the pockets also.
Yeah, we'll talk about that at home.
Yeah. So now I am
home.
planning to go
Oh,
for a
you're going?
haircut.
Okay.
I'm planning. Abhi I am
Go na,
free.
sir.
So I'm planning to cut my hair short this time because it's summers आणि कुछ तूफानी करना है.
बहुत short मत कर, I'll not talk to you.
Let's see.
We are at Shilpa's again. Baby, what have you planned? क्या let's see. Are you gonna go for? हाँ ठीक है. You're gonna go for something short?
Yes.
In case it's too short, there's a wig, you know. You want water, baby? Should I wait or go?
Wait,
Don't
don't
go? Why?
wait.
Why?
I wait now.
और पानी मारो उसका दिमाग बहुत गर्म है अभी
Actually.
हाँ He is putting more water.
So baby, how is my haircut?
Okay.
You
I
don't
mean-
like?
Short hair, you know, I don't like short hair, but it's looking good. Okay, but I like long hair, so it will grow now in time.
No, it will not grow.
Right? Then it's fine.
Okay, chalo.
Chalo, we'll take Hriday's reaction to this. He'll be all chilled, I guess.
Yes. Now we are going to take Hriday's reaction.
I don't think he's going to give any reaction. He's going to be on his mobile engrossed. He won't even notice you've had a haircut. Don't tell him. Just see.
Hriday?
Hello.
Didn't you notice something?
You cut your hair.
Yeah, how is it?
Good.
Good?
That is why you took so long now.
Huh?
That is why you took long now.
Yeah, but how am I looking? Stand here, don't move.
Good.
How is it looking?
Good.
Good? Only good? You didn't like?
I like.
Pakka? Such a sad reaction.
See, he's just being polite. He also likes long hair, if you know. He's just being polite. Hi, Boo Boo. Chestu, how is Mama? Do you recognize that's Mama? Huh?
Just today.
Tomorrow I'll be uploading a video on this channel. Faith over feelings always. Something exciting coming up, so please go check it out. Please subscribe. And let me see now what baby is doing. Oh, what is this? What are you planning to do?
Making something to eat, yeah.
What are you making? Do you have a name for that?
No. What?
Or at random you're making things?
Yeah. I boiled some potatoes.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? Okay.
क्या खाएगा तू? पैटिस खाएगा, सैंडविच खाएगा,
सब खाएगा तू उसे बना मैं कुछ भी खाएगा
कुछ फ्राइड खाएगा.
कुछ भी फ्राइड भी अच्छा चलेगा ए यू कैन डू दैट फ्राइड नो पॉकेट हाँ है ना हम लोग के पास ठीक है मेक दैट आई विल कंटिन्यू एडिटिंग द वीडियो आई एम एक्साइटेड टू अपलोड दैट टुमारो looks good and smells good ginger garlic paste डाला ना बेबी you always forget to put ginger garlic paste पक्का
Yes.
confident
Yes.
remember
What?
that you put ginger garlic paste
Yes.
Baby is getting everything ready. So guys, in case you want the full recipe video as stated earlier, by baby, we already have made a entire recipe video. So please go check it out. I'll put up the thumbnail as well here so you can check it out in case you can't find the link. Okay, baby? Wow, 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 wow. Nice. बेबी वो एक बार वो ये भी बनाना प्लीज वो राइस पेपर का हम लोग ने बनाया था ना वो अभी नॉनवेज
I want to make it with prawns.
हाँ प्रॉन्स यस यस बटर गार्लिक प्रॉन्स तो मिला नहीं उस दिन एटलीस्ट ये तो मिलेगा कांट वेट फॉर ईस्टर लवली 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 ऐसा छोटा क्यों है
Oh, I was trying to make samosa.
Wow,
Yeah,
what a
I did.
samosa.
I terribly failed, so I was like, "Chhod."
Next time I'll teach you, don't worry. Okay. And now we're gonna fry that, and my tea is getting ready. What about your tea, baby? छोटा हो गया है बाल. अच्छा. Tell na. What about your tea?
तुम कहते हो कि तू बना ना मेरे लिए.
मेरा चाय तेरे को पसंद है इसलिए मैं पूछा.
I'll make it. You eat garam garam, then आराम से.
I don't mind making tea for you. That's why I'm asking you for should I make tea for you?
No, I don't want.
You don't like my chai now anymore. First used to like नया नया प्यार था ना तभी मस्त चाय बनाते हैं रे मस्त चाय बनाते हैं ना तो तू गंदा चाय बनाते नहीं चाहिए.
नहीं, मेरे को मेरे ही हाथ का चाय अच्छा लगता है. मुझे ऐसे किसी का भी नहीं पसंद. Ready?
Yeah, oh, you're putting it. कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. I thought that आवाज आएगा. Nothing. You wanna fry? चलो, you continue. It's hot here. You're all ready. And baby is making more. Thank you so much, baby. Love you. Time to eat. Time to eat. So guys, as you all know, we had gone to the school to get these books, and apparently this is what we received. And of course the bag, that bag was okay, that's complimentary thing.
School bag.
School bag, yeah. And no, school wearing bag or the school?
School bag.
That's a different thing, but that is not part of this that he had got earlier. The thing is, for all this, books cost rupees 8,000. 8,000 only for these things for a year. So we just wanted to study. Okay, you're not putting any pressure on you, saying oh it's expensive or something. No, but 8,000 for all these books, and
But I think they are like.
good. I mean, see, at the end of the day, education comes at a
book
cost.
का price because this book only costs for 460 rupees.
So
उधर लिखा
obviously,
है.
so it's
So,
quite
like,
1, 2, 3,
yeah.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8 books. So obviously they are quite pricey.
Times have changed. हम लोग के time पे
50 rupees.
Yeah.
50
पूरा
rupees,
set आ
45,
जाता था.
yeah.
Remember in our during our summer vacations,
You would-
we would go to the
What's to
general,
play?
not general, the book stationery shop.
Stationery
वाला जो
shop,
रहता
yeah.
है.
But now the scenario is such कि
And
schools
we would
always.
ask him. We
Yeah.
would ask him कि हम लोग के standard का books आया क्या.
But now the scenario is such where you have to buy books from the school and from the vendor that they have told us. There's no other option. But these are these textbooks. Then you get these, or you.
This
they even,
is something interesting.
Yeah, you want to talk about it?
I don't know much. I just know my sisters and my mom used to love reading this. I was never a fan of reading, so I don't know much about it.
But then it's a good book. It's Gulliver's Travels. So Rita, you need to read this. And there's a movie, and movie
Just-
Hollywood as well as Bollywood. So we'll watch both of them as well. So, but for that you need to finish reading this book. Okay. And what else did they give? All these textbooks. These are the notebooks. This is craft material and art material that he will be using, and they have given us this pouch with some stationery. So all this costs 8,000 bucks, and there are right now, even on social media, if you go and check on Instagram, there have been scenarios where parents are complaining about these costs. Honestly, I am of the belief if you have put your child in a private school, it ought to be like that. You go to a public school, the rates will come to the expectation that you are having. But 8,000, 9,000, these all are pretty standard materials, and it is a cost of good education. So I don't believe with the parents complaining that it's expensive, these books are expensive. You want to give, or you want your child to have quality education, you have to do that. And government is giving pretty decent one. If you want something within your budget, please go to that school is what I would say. But they've put in a lot of efforts. Teachers also are putting in a lot of efforts. Management are giving us giving our children.
There is a difference. Like,
Yeah.
there is a difference between a government school and a private school.
Correct.
At the end, education is what you teach the children. But if you're looking for some quality infrastructure, some amenities in the school,
Correct.
then
You got to pay for
yeah.
it. That's how it is. That's how it always has been, and nobody is gonna change that, honestly. So now, baby, what are you planning to?
Now I'm going down with Hriday for a ride. You're coming?
No. I have a video to edit, which I need to upload it by tomorrow. So you guys check that out, and you go for a ride. I'm going and editing the videos.
How was the puff?
Oh, it was really good. Maja aaya. It was really good. I always love.
I forgot to put Szechuan chutney in the filling.
But it's okay. We had the Szechuan chutney and mayonnaise. We had a dip, so we were okay with that. That's not a problem. That was manageable. But next time, yeah, we need to put non-veg. We need to put sausages in it, chicken shred, something like that. Then it will be tastier.
Sausages we cannot put inside. Chicken
We can. No, we can put. Why not? Why can't we put? You tell me.
Sausages and all are good on as pizza toppings and sandwiches.
No, ऐसा कुछ बोलते नहीं. You can roll it up in that this and fry it out. It's really tasty. This is your thinking. You can put sausage everywhere. It's a go-to thing. Chalo, you go for a ride and I'm going editing the video.
So Hriday and I came for a walk. Hriday is here. Hriday. Sightseeing, yeah. So I just crossed this beautiful lake and I wanted to show you all the sunset. Just look at that. That reflection on the water of the sun rays, it looks so beautiful. So now, where are we going, baby?
We are going to check out our designs that we had selected.
We are going to check the panels that we had selected for our house, a new house. So that uncle just called and informed us that the designs have come in. So just
Are we going to show them?
We'll see. Keep watching.
See the amount of designs we have to go through to select. It's a pain. Like that. Something on that sort. Show the others. First mango milkshake of the season. Yay! मजा आने वाला है. We're gonna have a lot of fun. आराम से. Wow. Whoa. Time to have this. So guys, we are now going to have a mango milkshake, and before we have it, we're going to sign off. So it's a beautiful day. You saw already the designs that we were browsing through. Which one we have selected on, we haven't told you as yet, but you will come to know with time. And by now I have already uploaded a video on Faith Over Feelings Always. It's a video on confession, so please go check it out. It would be nice. I have put up the link of that on the comments, so please go check it out. So असा होता आमचा पूर्ण दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. Cheers! Let's have.
Goes
Bye.
Bye.